Alright guys, today we're going to show you how to install a dash camera. Everything here is what you'll need. So we've got a camera, I think this is like £20. Got it from my old car. It also films the back, so you can leave it like that and then film outside of it. So yeah, and then you need a hard wiring kit. You can get this from eBay. I think it's like 10 quid, 20 quid. It comes with the fuse, and then the fuse taps and that. And then you're going to need a memory card. I think this is the biggest one you can get, 256.
I think you can get more, but...
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, that's the memory card. I hope it works, because last time it didn't work. And then you need a fuse tester. Test what fuse you want to tap into. Wire strippers. You can use the pliers, but it makes it a lot easier if you get these. Electrical tape, and then trim tool to get off some of the stuff. This you can buy separately. That comes with a tester, all the fuses. But as you can see, they've already given us a fuse, but yeah, we'll see if we need it. Now let's go install it into the car. Alright, now we want to find the fuse box. Normally it's in the glove box here, but on this car it's over here. Sometimes you get in the boot, but yeah, let's check it. And then wait. So guys, the fuse box is normally just under the glove box. Sometimes you can have it here, or on the driver's side over here, or even in the boot. But in this case, this is a BMW E93, so we'll be here. So now let's take this off. Just literally twist it and it comes off. Easy as that. Now you will get the like a map, a fuse map. Normally you want to tap into like a cigarette light fuse. It depends. If you want it on 24/7, then you can tap it into a live fuse. But we need a test to test it out. But I don't want it on 24/7. I just want it on when the car's on, because sometimes I don't use the car at all. There's a fuse box here. As you can see here, we're just going to tap into, we're going to figure out which is what, and then we're going to tap into it. So let me show you how you find out what fuse is what. So guys, we found a fuse where we're going to test it with this tester. Number 10, the small one. As you can hear that noise, and now if you turn the car off and take the key off, it will shut off after about, I'll give it like 5 minutes. We've tested it already, so that's the one we're going to go for. That's the electric seats here. But as we're adding a extension to it, it should be fine. Let's tap into that. Here's the fuse. Now we're gonna put it on the adapter.
Great. It's raining now, guys. Oh, it's a flop. Okay, we'll put it back. This is the umbrella you put on.
Huh?
Okay, after it's stopped raining, we're now using the electric tapper thing. We're tapping into the heated seats, and I think it'll be fine, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to tap into the heated seats, but because it's got two on there, it's going to work the same way as it normally does. So once we put the fuse on, it's going to be hard to see for you guys, but actually before we put that on, let's connect the wires. It'll be easier if we do it like that. Let me grab the dashcam wire.
Guys, this is the British weather.
So guys, this is the hard wiring kit. It comes like this. This goes the end of the camera, and this is the bit where we wire in. So you want to get your positive wire, and literally all you have to do is just connect it in like that, and then easy as that. And just get a heat shrink, and then just heat shrink it. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Now that's the first step done, and this is the negative. We just need to find something metal or like a bolt and then stick it in. But first, let's get this in. I'm planning on taking this out and then feeding this through there, through the fuse box. Slowly just pull this open like that. Clips are still intact, that's a good thing. Now we're going to feed the wire. This one, we're going to feed this bit through the bottom.
Hello.
I found it easier if we take this off and clip those two. Get a hanger, a metal hanger, and then literally just get some tape and just tie it around there. Don't do too much, otherwise you'll be able to get it out. And then bang, that's enough. And now feed it through the bottom. Just be careful of any wire. There's no wires in here, so this should just go in like that. And then if you look at the bottom, there it is. You need to get this tape off. Grab the two wires and then pull the hanger up. And now you can connect this back up. To be honest, you don't really need to heat shrink it. It's tight enough, but if you want to, you can. Now let's plug this in. Yeah. There you go, that's in. And then we need somewhere metal, but before we do that, let's hide all of this.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more tutorials. Basically, if you notice a different quality cameras because we're using a different one, this is a temporary one. So the next video will be better, don't worry. Yeah, great, nice.
I'm thinking we just need the box here.
Okay, while he's doing that, we actually do have an unreleased video about a car flip, but unfortunately some of the footage got corrupted.
Yeah, why is that?
Some of the footage got corrupted.
Why is that?
Yeah, it got corrupted. Yeah, so it's about 7 minutes long. So if you guys want to see that video, leave a comment and we'll upload it. It's already edited, it's just that's 7-8 minutes long. What's going on in the video, to be honest.
This is kind of the easy bit. All you gotta do is just tucking the wires in, hide it, make sure it looks all nice and neat.
It's very similar to the reverse camera video if you saw on our channel, the way you tuck it. Also check that video, will be in the top corner somewhere right here, somewhere there.
You take over.
Oh hell no.
You take over.
What am I doing?
Put this in the thing, innit? My arm hurts now.
With this?
Use this.
I can't even see.
Tuck it under so you can't see anything anyway. This is Texie the cameraman, the one that does all the videos, editing.
There you go.
Yeah, but you tuck it more, there's too much wire here, look.
Oh, more?
You need to make it short as possible. Make sure it's not caught on anything though. Is that the cameraman? Yeah, you got it, yeah. Can you go more in?
No, I think that might be it.
That's it, yeah, that'll do. So now as you can see guys, we've hidden all the wires. And that's how you hide the wires.
I'm trying to think. I haven't been on camera in so long. While he's doing that, I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, well, how many subs? Let's see how much subscribers we got.
Well, you just thought, yeah, oh yeah, just check that.
We have at the moment, there we go, 328. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for liking our content and subscribing and liking and commenting and feedback. All of that, it's really appreciated. There's the reverse camera at the moment.
Can't really see the angle of where we're gonna put it yet, so we'll just leave it hanging. This looks too bulky, this camera, but yeah, we'll leave that for now. Now all that's left to do is put the negative wire. This thing.
Are you guys ready? Well, is that ambient lighting? We should do ambient lighting video as well.
Is it turn on?
It's not looking good, bruv. Oh, it's on.
Oh hell yeah! And then if I let go, it's gonna turn off.
Oh look, you see me?
Yeah.
Oh.
And now I found my ground wire. What I'm gonna do, there's a screw missing here. I don't know what this is. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna find a screw that fits in there and then put this in here.
Alright, so with this video, it's got 2.6k views in 5 months, right? I believe, because it was a 1 out of 10, I believe that it should have got more views. So I think it got copyright claimed and it just stopped working. So if you guys could support it more and help it in the algorithm, that would be great. Like it, subscribe it, everything. It's got 42 likes, which is great. This one's done so well as well. Honda Jazz install Android head unit, that did pretty well. 9.3k, 5 months. That has got 142 likes. Like all these videos, please guys. That would be much appreciated. And subscribe. Let's try to get 400 subs.
Yes, so as you can see guys, I've managed to fit the bolt in there. This is the negative wire here, right there. Just hold that and then just screw it on until it's tight enough.
We're gonna see if it works now. So, oh wait. And yep.
Alright guys, we've done the wiring. It's a bit hard to see, but it's all done. Tucked in, nicely tucked in. Now let's see if it works. Go on and plug it, push it in. Oh yeah, look, it works.
Wait, it's something telling me. Wait, relax.
There you go. I thought I got confused with that screen. And yeah, there it is. And then we're gonna stick it on now, and then yeah, let's turn the car off, see if it does on. It should. The keys off. And is it off?
Yeah, give it a minute. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Now it's off. Obviously, you can have it on 24/7, but that's gonna kill your battery. There is ways to do it, but me personally, I don't drive this car every day, so.
Alright guys, so open up the memory card, we're going to put that into the dash cam. It's 256 gigabytes. There you go.
Let's plug this in. I think it goes in like this.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys when we find a spot. Alright, cool. So as you can see here, the dash cam stuck on like this, was it 3M? Something like that. You come with me, come inside.
No wires.
So right now you can see it's off, car is off. Turn the car on now. and give it a second. There you go. Is that done?
We'll drive somewhere, we'll show you the footage of how it really looks. Also, give us more video ideas, because yeah,
should
we're
we do
stuck.
ambient lighting? Do you want to see this? Because this is
We need more video ideas, because we've noticed that a lot of you guys are commenting, subscribing. Yeah, so this guy here is the man behind all the filming, the editing,
the thumbnail, the title,
everything. All the video, he does it. But yeah, give us some ideas of what you guys want to see. Dash cams, you can do starlights as well.
We've done red leather dye as well, 80k views.
If there's anything we can do, just let us know if you need any help and then we can show you, yeah. Anything else to say before I cut it off? I'll take
Subscribe.
that. Oh yes, subscribe, like, share, all of that stuff. And yeah, let's hope we can get to 400 subs.
Yeah,
We're not too far.
I said that already.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Subscribe.